We're going to bisect an angle today. You've been working with angles quite a lot. You know how to define a right angle, you know what an acute angle is, and you know what an obtuse angle is. You even know the parts of an angle. You could even draw angles if you needed to. You've also learned how to use a protractor, like this. What we're going to do today is we're going to see how to bisect an angle. Now, to bisect something means to put it into two. Remember that prefix bi means two. So bisect, we're going to give it two sections, divided equally. Let's see how we do that. You'll need to bring your protractor and your compass along. We're going to bisect an angle today, but in order to have an angle to bisect, we need to draw our angle. That's one side of the angle. Here is my angle. Side, side, vertex, and this amplitude. Now what we want to do is we want to bisect the angle, which means we want to cut it in half. But we want to cut it in half perfectly. So what we're going to need is a compass. In your math set, you should have a compass. It might not look like this. It might be slightly different. You might have to put your pencil in on the side. But open your compass, as long as it's not wider than the arm, so say about that far, and see how we bisect an angle. The pointy bit goes into the vertex. Can you see I've marked on each arm? Now I'm going to use that mark as my new vertex. The pointy bit there. Do you see? Now right where those two lines cross in that X, that's the middle. So from the vertex through the middle, we have bisected that angle. If you wanted to check, you could use your protractor to measure and see if the angles are the same size. Isn't that interesting? It's quite tricky getting the hang of using a compass, so practice. Be careful not to bend the top. You have to have a very steady hand. And remember, practice makes progress. You don't get good at something by thinking about it. You get good at something by doing it. So practice, practice, practice until you're able to use your compass to bisect angles.